Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for legal and compliance solutions. Whether you're a landlord or a tenant, having a legally valid rent deed is essential to avoid future disputes and ensure a smooth renting experience. Let's explore everything you need to know and how Filings Corner can help. What is a rent deed? A rent deed is a formal agreement between a landlord and tenant that outlines monthly rent, duration of the lease, security deposit terms, responsibilities of each party. It serves as a legally enforceable document and plays a key role in protecting both parties. Documents required for rent deed execution: identity proof, Aadhaar, PAN, or passport, both parties; ownership proof, sale deed, title deed, or property tax receipt, landlord; property address verification; utility bills or municipal documents; security deposit details; payment receipt or transfer proof; photographs, passport-sized photos of landlord and tenant. Need to amend your existing rent deed? We can help with that too. Common amendments include rent revisions due to market rate changes, lease extensions, if both parties agree to continue subletting permissions, for partial rentals, maintenance responsibilities, who handles what security deposit updates, modifying terms or amounts, termination clauses, conditions to end the agreement legally, legal requirements for a valid rent deed, stamp duty. As per your state's law, registered deed, strongly recommended for protection and evidence; rent receipts, useful for claiming tax benefits, especially for salaried tenants. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we offer legally verified drafts, prepared by expert lawyers and CAs, fully customized agreements, tailored to your property and needs, quick turnaround time, hassle-free and timely service amendment and renewal support. We handle updates too, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, ever. Need a rent deed? Let's get it done. Whether you're renting your first home or managing multiple properties, Filings Corner is here to help you draft, review, amend, and register your rent deed professionally and affordably. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us today to get started.